I hope it's not now. Behold, I create the tangible remote. Okay, guys, I hope it's work. Which one will be work? Okay, let me press this one. Okay, now I'm back in time. I think I need to go to the future right now. Just come to future, but everything still look normal. Yeah, I'm 1000 sure. But I want to check around anyway. What's happening? Hey, bro!
Who is that?
It's me, Freddy Regan.
Oh,
You always call me Freddy.
that you are already dead.
Me? Dead? What do you mean dead? What year is this?
2014.
I'm dead? Are you serious?
It was a car accident when you.
Car accident. No, bro. This can't be true.
It's true.
I'm going to go back to the past. Yeah, the future was suck anyway. So I'm in the past now, or yeah, this year, 2019. 2040 sucks. How did I die? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.